welcome back to our channel, Kama Kakana. I'm Kama, and I am very sorry for the ASMR video. The paper clickers or the stress youngers really didn't sound that well, so yeah. And yeah, let's jump right to it. Sit back and relax. Close your eyes. My friends and I love to use these and treat these in school. Bye guys. Thank you for the time. Thank you for your time. Bye. See you next time.